in like a language with multiple inheritance, like Lisp or Python, when you do a slot lookup or like method resolution, there's an algorithm that runs under the hood, a family of algorithms in Python. It's called C3 linearization. In Lisp, it's called the class precedence list linearization. And what it does is it like pick a class and then it like converts the DAG into like a vector, which is just like a single linear representation of the classes. And it does a really good job of doing that in a way that's like deterministic. It's kind of intuitive to what you would expect, and it like preserves like certain topological properties of the DAG. The problems are one, it's not robust. There's actually certain kind of like funky diamond shapes that will actually make both the Lisp and Python compilers error out because it doesn't know what to do. And then two, it's really, really slow. The Python one is quadratic. I think the CPL is as well. I've been doing a whole bunch of work, and I've kind of made a slight variation of these algorithms that is much faster and more scalable and more robust. So it runs at like near linear time, at zero allocation. There's no garbage collection pressure from running it. It's cache benefiting and incrementally compiling. So the design goal is like to do a constrained topological sort over like hundreds of thousands of objects in a millisecond. I'm going to do a talk on it like once I'm kind of ready. But anyways, what I was going to say is, if there's anybody who has like a large data set of like a DAG with like a natural ordering, like dimensions of ordering to it, that you'd be willing to share, it would be cool just to have like a test kind of to use as a test data set. Two, if there's anybody that's like really knowledgeable like graph theory or like constraint satisfaction, it would be cool to connect up, kind of looking for people to do a code review. If there's anybody that just like has a problem, that would be cool. I started making it actually as part of I was like prototyping a video game, but now I want to use it to like make a compiler, and I want to try to give it to like an LLM as like tool through MCP and just kind of see like what it could do, like kind of giving the like really like kind of real time topological constrained topological sort of LLM. So anyways, I'll do a longer talk later, but connect with me if something that sounds interesting. It would be cool to chat.
So that was Nick Allen. Just if anyone wants to reach out. Yeah.